Recipe for all-out war. Iran warns against U.S. intervention as conflict with Israel spirals. Tensions between Iran and Israel deepened on Wednesday as Tehran issued its sharpest warning yet to the United States, cautioning that any direct American involvement in Israel's ongoing strikes would trigger a full-scale regional conflict. Any American intervention would be a recipe for an all-out war in the region, said Iranian Foreign Ministry spokesperson Esmail Baghai in a live interview with Al Jazeera. English his first public comments since the current conflict began. Also read who will succeed Ayatollah Ali Khomeini if Iran regime falls. A look at the frontrunners. President Donald Trump, while initially distancing the U.S. from Israel's military actions, has recently hinted at deeper involvement, saying he wants something much bigger than a ceasefire. The U.S. has also deployed additional warplanes to the region. Meanwhile, Iran's ambassador to the United Nations in Geneva, Ali Bahraini, reinforced the warning, stating that if Iran concludes the U.S. is directly involved in attacks on its territory, we will start responding to the U.S. Speaking to reporters, Bahraini added, we will not show any reluctance in defending our people, security, and land. We will respond seriously and strongly, without restraint. The escalation in rhetoric comes amid continued airstrikes, Iranian claims of hypersonic missile use, and heightened global alarm over the rapidly deteriorating situation. In a massive overnight operation, more than 50 Israeli fighter jets reportedly targeted Iranian military infrastructure, including a centrifuge production site in Tehran. The Israel Defense Forces (IDF) said the strikes were aimed at dismantling Iran's nuclear weapons development and missile production networks. Also read who is Reza Pahlavi, all about the Shahs of Iran and what led to their ouster. And as the conflict intensified, Iran reportedly imposed a near-total internet blackout on Tuesday evening. NBC News reported that internet connectivity dropped sharply around 5:30 p.m. local time, affecting VPNs and disabling major mobile networks. While a government spokesperson blamed Israeli cyber attacks, analysts say the shutdown closely resembles Tehran's strategy during previous periods of domestic unrest, such as the 2019 protests. Swipe left for next video. And citing escalating tensions, the U.S. State Department announced that the U.S. Embassy in Jerusalem, along with its consular sections in Jerusalem and Tel Aviv, would remain closed from Wednesday, June 18 through Friday, June 20. Given the security situation and in compliance with Israel Home Front Command guidance, the U.S. Embassy in Jerusalem will be closed, the department posted on X. Latest blogs.